friend. Our goal is not working properly. So I hope that you can still hear me. And it seems that it's cold. It appears that I got lucky last time when there are no people. Because right now, wait, I'm gonna cover him because yeah. Is he out? Yes, he's out. So I could wait. Let me just wait a bit. I think I understand why I got lucky last time, because it was a Sunday on the earth. And right now, it's not Sunday. It's not Sunday right now, so you know, I can continue still. I just have to be very close like this. I hope that's fine, because I'm also human currently, and they are also human currently, and they are doing things, and I'm also doing things currently. So I guess everything is fine. Everything is fine. I'm just a bit I wanna tell you how I felt when I was in the metro earlier. When I entered the doors, I felt as if there is a silent agreement that I signed that says "Play Dead." Where are you? you're there. I felt like I signed this silent agreement as soon as my first toe crossed the line. Because you can feel it. You can feel it. You're in the station. Everything is fast. Everyone is and you're there as well. And you're also one of those who are off to somewhere. So it has that specific feel. But then the train arrives, the doors open, and you enter. Then suddenly the air changes. And everyone. And I struggled a bit to find the seat. I'm not sure why it's busy today. There's no work today. Even in the metro, there's a lot of people, and it's relatively early for today. I don't know. Did something happen while I was sleeping? Is there some change in the agreement of the universe? I don't know what happened, but yeah, it seemed like a busy day today. So I was walking. And I felt I did my best not to laugh because you can really feel it. It's as if everyone agreed to play dead. Like, or and I'm just there trying to not fall on my face because I was still standing at this point. And I was doing my best not to laugh, and I succeeded. I didn't laugh. It got really close though. It got really close. But yeah, eventually I also played dead. But in my head, I'm like, oh, I'm playing dead. Like that. In my head, though, I'm not playing dead. I'm just like, oh, we're playing dead. I'm looking like this. I'm looking like this, straight. But in my head, I am making my eye contact with everyone in that wagon. Because I'm like, oh, we're playing dead. Kind of like that in my forehead. But physically, I'm just... like that. And you see, playing dead is so effective. When I played dead just now, I really felt dead, like a container without the soup inside. So now I'm finding the soup. Where's my soup? Where's my soup? It was a colorful soup that I'm about to share to you, but since I played dead, kind of evaporated along the way. The soup is gone.